2024 Volvo EX30 SUV is a compact all-electric SUV that will be Volvo's smallest and fastest SUV ever. It will have a single Tesla-like screen, a soundbar, and big safety improvements. Here are some more details about the 2024 Volvo EX30 SUV. It will be priced in line with a base model Tesla Model 3 when it arrives in Australia later this year, starting at $59,990. It will be the quickest production Volvo to date with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.4 seconds in EX30 Twin Motor Performance guise. It will have a more rakish roofline than the boxy EX90 and XC40 Recharge, reminiscent of the long-defunct C30 coupe. It will have a 12.3-inch, portrait-oriented display screen that can blank out all but the most vital information for distraction-free driving. It will have a full-width speaker array that spans the dashboard, which reduces wiring and parts count and simplifies the door structure. It will have an improved city safety system that will brake for cross-traffic and alert the driver if they are about to open a door in front of an oncoming cyclist. It will also have a new airbag on the inboard side of the driver's seat that will reduce head and torso injuries in a side impact.